When you see the letter that was written by the former chairman responding to the suspension of Port Moresby Rugby League Club, he clearly indicated that Southern Confederate or any Confederate has no jurisdiction over any local rugby league. Okay, they have not responded to that as well. But now both parties decided to come together and dispute a lawful elected board. Director Ivaroa, after suspending Port Moresby Rugby League, came to us advising us to take this approach. He was part of this team. After the election was made, and when the former directors refused, he decided to jump ship again from here to the former.
True story.
He instigated the whole process.
Who's at fault?
He suspended Port Moresby Rugby League. He has rallied all of us here, all the clubs, to come together and hold the election. And from his words, from his support, they've elected a new board. Now when Dr. Naipao is refusing to leave, the director jumps ship to be with the former. What happened to his suspension letter? And what happened to Dr. Naipao's response? Have they resolved this issue? No. The club delegates, being frustrated, being ignored, decided to use the Port Moresby Rugby League's own constitution and lawfully, legally elected a new board.